India is not merely a land of temples. It is a land shaped by seekers, souls whose longing for the divine was so intense that the universe itself responded. In this episode of the Great Saints of India series, we remember two extraordinary sages, Vyagrapada and Patanjali, the eternal witnesses of Lord Shiva's dance of bliss, who lived around the 2nd century BCE. This is a story of service and silence, body and mind, meeting at Chidambaram, the cosmic stage of Shiva. Vyagrapada was born on the banks of the river Ganga, as the son of sage Madhyandina. From childhood, he mastered the Vedas and sacred scriptures. When he asked his father how to escape the cycle of birth and death, the answer was clear, through penance and unwavering worship of Lord Shiva. Taking these words to heart, Vyagrapada journeyed south and reached the sacred Tilai forest, now known as Chidambaram. His devotion was uncompromising. He wished to offer only the purest flowers at Shiva's feet. Bees drank the nectar before he arrived. Thorns tore his feet. Sharp stones wounded his body. Yet he never turned back. Moved by such relentless devotion, Lord Shiva granted him a divine boon, the legs and strength of a tiger. With tiger feet, Vyagrapada climbed the tallest trees and gathered flowers untouched by time or bees. Thus, he became the tiger-footed sage. Vyagrapada is remembered not as a philosopher who wrote books, but as a seer who shaped living tradition, a foundational figure behind Chidambaram's agamic rituals and temple-centered Shaiva worship. Traditions also associate him with the Anka Sastra on astrology and the founding of the Vaikam Mahadev temple. Along with Patanjali, he is said to have received the darshan of Lord Vishnu as Ranganatha at Sthal Saina Perumal temple, Tirusirupalli. Around the same sacred time, another longing arose. When Lord Vishnu witnessed Shiva's divine dance, his body trembled with bliss. To experience this vision himself, Adi Shesha took birth as Patanjali, descending into the folded palms of a sage. Half human and half serpent, Patanjali journeyed to the Tilai forest in search of the Lord of Dance. There, he met Vyagrapada. Together, they worshipped a Shiva Linga with intense penance. Pleased by their devotion, Shiva appeared as Lord Nataraja and performed the Ananda Tandava, the dance of bliss. As Shiva danced, the very forms of the two sages revealed a deeper truth. Vyagrapada, the tiger-footed sage, represents unwavering focus, the power to rise beyond ego and material obstacles through karma yoga, the path of service and action. Patanjali, the serpent-bodied sage, represents Kundalini energy and mastery of the mind, Raja Yoga, the path of meditation and inner realization. Together, they represent the two halves of every spiritual seeker, action and awareness. That is why both sages stand eternally at the feet of the dancing Shiva. The temple silently teaches us. Hard work and deep meditation lead to the same destination, the dance of bliss within the heart. To Patanjali, Shiva granted the wisdom of yoga, grammar, and medicine. Patanjali is said to have attained Samadhi at the Brahmapurishwara temple in Tirupattur. Vyagrapada remained at Chidambaram, anchoring ritual, worship, and living tradition. Lord Shiva teaches us that devotion without awareness is incomplete, and discipline without surrender is dry. When body and mind unite, the Ananda Tandava rises, not in the heavens, but within us. Om Namah Shivaya.